Unit 1 Math Assessment, first grade. 3 children are on the swings. More children come to the swings. Now 6 children are on the swings. How many more children come to the swings? Show evidence. 3 children are on the swings. 3. More come. Now there are 6 children on the swings. How many more children come to the swings? Show evidence. Okay, so right now, what you are going to do is you're going to use this number line. You have the equation 3 plus blank equals 6. Blank more children come to the swings. So I want you to solve the problem. There are 3 children on the swings. More come. Now there are 6. Go ahead and solve your problem. Draw your pictures. You may press pause, and when you're done, you can press play again to go to problem 2. 3 children are on the swings. More children come to the swings. Now 6 children are on the swings. How many more children come to the swings? Problem 2. Jan has 6 shells. Jan has 6 shells. Faye has 10 shells. How many more shells does Faye have? Write an equation. Show evidence. So you need to think about what Jan has and what Faye has and draw a picture. Write an equation. You're going to figure out how many more shells Faye has than Jan. Jan has 6 shells. Faye has 10 shells. How many more shells does Faye have? Write an equation. Show evidence. Okay, we're going to go to number 3. Problem number 3 says 10 apples. 2 are red. The rest are green. How many are green? Show evidence. Find. I also would like you to label your part, whole. 10 apples. 2 are green. 10 apples. 2 are red. The rest are green. How many are green? Show evidence. Find. Go ahead and solve. Problem number 4. Write 2 addition equations for these models. Show evidence. You have one model here where you have 1, 2, 3, 4 gray and 1 dark. Below it, you have 1 dark and 1, 2, 3, 4 gray. The first equation is done for you. You need to solve for the total. Write a separate equation that's different than the first. Problem number 5. There are 7 bears. 7 bears. 2 bears are black. Okay. There are 7 bears. 2 are black. The rest are brown. How many are brown? Show your work. Write an equation. Go ahead and solve. There are 7 bears. 2 are black. The rest are brown. How many are brown? Number 6, circle the true equations. Show evidence for each problem. Here you have 7 equals 8 plus 1. Go ahead and solve under here. Okay. The first one, you're going to write 7 is equal to. Solve for 8 plus 1. Put the total here. If they are equal, you're going to put equal. If they are not equal, you're going to put not equal. If it is a true equation, you will circle it. If it is not, you will leave it alone. Go ahead and solve all of these problems. Problem number 7. Tina has 3 toy boats. She buys 4 more. Tina has 3 toy boats. She buys 4 more. How many toy boats does Tina have now? You're going to use your addition doubles plus 1 strategy. Draw a picture of 3 boats and 4 more and use your addition doubles plus 1 strategy. Go ahead and solve. Draw your picture and put your answers here. Problem number 8. 5 fish and, there's the joining word, 2 frogs. 5 fish and 2 frogs. How many pets in all? Here's your evidence. Solve your problem. Label part, whole. Problem number 9. Fill in the blanks. Remember, this is all about patterns and numbers. Here you have 3 plus 3. Put your total here. 3 plus what equals 7? Blank plus 5 equals 8. 3 plus what equals what? Remember, you can follow patterns as you start to fill in the blanks. Blank plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 4 plus what equals? What plus 6 equals 10. So follow your patterns and see what you see so you can fill in the blanks. Problem number 10. Write subtraction facts. 7 take away blank equals 4. Label your part whole and solve the problem. Make sure you draw a picture. Eight minus 3 equals blank. Label your part whole. Draw your picture. 9 minus 6 equals blank. Label part whole and draw the picture. 10 minus blank equals 4. Label your part whole and solve for the missing. Problem number 11. Buzz joins 3 cubes and 5 cubes. Boom has 10 cubes, but then loses 2 cubes. Do they have the same number of cubes? How do you know? Write equations and solve with evidence. Circle. Here we have same, not same. Buzz joins 3 cubes and 5 cubes. Here is where you're going to draw. Buzz joins 3 cubes and 5 cubes. So you need to write an equation and draw a picture to tell me how many cubes Buzz has altogether. Boom has 10 cubes, but then loses 2 cubes. So if Boom is losing 2 cubes, okay, you're going to write an equation and draw a picture to match. Boom has 10 cubes and loses 2 cubes. When you're done solving Buzz, all of the work for Buzz, and all of the work for Boom, you need to answer this question. Do they have the same number of cubes? The same means equal to each other. Do they have the same number of cubes? If they do, you will circle same. If they do not have the same, you will circle not same. Only circle one. If they have the same amount of cubes, you'll circle same. If they don't, you'll circle not the same. And problem 12. 10 children are playing. 5 go home. How many children are left? 10 children are playing. 5 go home. How many are left? 5 plus blank equals 10. 10 minus 5 equals blank. Blank children are left. 10 children are playing. 5 go home. How many children are left? You can use your number line, draw a picture, label part, whole. When you are done with your test, I want you to turn your test into Mrs. Sanders. I will have a place that you can take a picture of it on Seesaw and share it with Mrs. Sanders there. I will need to have a good picture so I can see all of your work. If I cannot see every number and every problem, I won't be able to see how you are doing. Okay? Do your best. Remember, parents, you're not helping. You can help them with pause and unpause. But no more rereading of the problems. You can rewind and back up the video, but no rereading, no telling them how to answer. No, it's not that number, it's this number. So I want them to try to do this all on their own. Thank you.